Working on the Denali. Finally got check engine light for the VVT solenoid. The camshaft position sensor. That's what's left of it. This thing right here. You know what I'm saying? Finally got check engine light. Finally replace everything. Just doing what the code reader is telling me to do. You know what I'm saying? You see that brand new VVT solenoid right there? Brand new. That right there. I lost the gasket, so I gotta order me another gasket. And then, last but not least, let's go ahead and get the this right here. Nightmare to get out. Honestly, if you could, I would pay somebody to do this job, because, man, the amount of time you spend, trying to get that thing out is no joke. I mean, I like to try to do things myself, but honestly, if this goes out again, I'm probably gonna let the shop do it. It's crazy. But anyway, comment, subscribe. See, hopefully, also, I'm still getting stalling issues when I come to a stop. If I don't keep my foot on the brake, or on the gas and the brake while braking, hold the gas while braking, then the truck stalls out. So first time changing this out, so hopefully this fixes everything, because it's getting real annoying that you can't drive your baby because, you know, situations, whatever reason. But comment if you want some updates. Hopefully it stops the stalling issue. All right.